Welcome to another PLS Minute. I'll be your host today, Nate Clark. Today we're going to take a closer look at Orion Lighting. Let's get started. Orion is headquartered in Manitowoc, Wisconsin, where they design, test, and fabricate products. They offer a wide range of interior and exterior products using industry-leading components to produce their most energy-efficient solutions. With experience on large projects and through listening to contractors, Orion can provide environmentally contractor-friendly job packaging. It might just seem like cardboard boxes, but their innovative bulk packaging design allows for quick access and less waste, which makes the installer more efficient. Why choose Orion? Orion is Buy America compliant. They make products right here in the US of A. Here are some other reasons to choose Orion that sets them apart from other lighting manufacturers. They are a true lighting manufacturer. They design, test, and fabricate products here in the U.S. Orion can be your turnkey project manager. They offer a full spectrum of services for large projects. They offer a wide portfolio of control options to accommodate your technology needs. Orion can help with all your lighting and general maintenance services. Not only does Orion build their products here in the U.S., they are so committed to quality and their products that you can monitor their performance live on their website. They want customers to know that performance is at the heart of Orion Lighting. Orion builds great interior solutions for high bay and low bay applications. One of the most versatile high bays on the market today is the LS-LH1 Lumen Select. You can choose from a 2-foot unit that allows field selectable from 9,000 to 15,000 lumens, or the 4-foot model that gives you field selectability from 18,000 to 30,500 lumens. It also offers open area and aisle lenses, as well as battery backup and motion sensor options. The HHSL1 Harris style line offers lumen packages starting at 9,000 and up to 63,000 lumens, comes in 2-foot and 4-foot platforms, and has the option for general, narrow, or focus distribution. This high bay can come with a whip already installed, battery backup, or a number of control options. The HHUF3 Harris round high bay allows you to keep the same round style and comes standard with an eye bolt for easy change out for metal halide. It offers lumen packages up to 35,000 lumens. It is available in white or black finish, 120 volt/277 volt, or 480 volt. The center motion sensor allows for great coverage and blends right into the look of this sleek high bay. It is IP65 and IK10 rated. The HBIF ISON family is the market's premier high bay series with up to an industry-leading 214 lumens per watt. This makes this family an ideal solution for longer-term ROI applications. Here are a few of Orion retrofit solutions. Let's start with the patent-designed LDRE2 and LDRE-S2. When looking to upgrade your troffers, one of the easiest and quickest installation options is a door retrofit kit. These units save you the hassle of removing the existing fixture and getting up inside the ceiling. These door retrofit kits can be installed within minutes and use the existing fixture's wiring to power it. The LDRE2 is a painted aluminum body, where the LDRE-S2 is a white painted steel body. This gives the customer two options when it comes to price range. The SF-HR1 strip retrofit is a great option when you can't or don't want to remove the existing strip's pan. This unit comes in 3, 4, and 8-foot lengths. You can choose 3500, 4, or 5000K color temps. Battery backup and control options are available. The LM-AR1 offers a 4-foot and 8-foot retrofit option for existing fluorescent linear high bays. This retrofit comes in 9,000 lumens for the 4-foot and 18,000 lumens for the 8-foot. With its frosted acrylic lens option, it will give you the light you want without the glare. It is available in 120 volt/277 volt or 480 volt. The LDRM-H1 is a multi-purpose troffer retrofit designed to upgrade existing troffers in healthcare or other facilities. This product creates an in-house buildable environment for the growth of bacteria and other pathogens. Let's examine a few more of Orion's interior solutions. The brand new HQ-AS1 strip is an installer's dream with its quick release spring buttons that lowers the lens and the ability to select the desired CCT 3500, 4, or 5000K in the field. You also have the option to use a microwave sensor or battery backup. The MPHL1 is a small profile that packs a punch, and it can blend in to fit in those tight spaces that need more light. This strip comes in 4 and 8 foot with lumen packages ranging from 1500 to 14,000 lumens. It is less than 2 3/4 inches wide. You can get this with or without a lens or battery backup. The LTHE1 is a great solution for new construction and when you need to expand your office footprint. It comes in 1x4, 2x2, and 2x4 with lumen packages from 2000 to 6000 lumens. This volumetric troffer can be controlled with one of our many control options that are built in and can be equipped with battery backup. With the LSME2 volume surface troffer, we can help you upgrade your office look and also save energy. These are up to 161 lumens per watt and only use as little as 14 watts. They are available in 1x4, 2x2, and 2x4 and produce up to 4,000 lumens. This shallow unit blends into the ceiling with only 3.6 inches deep design. Let's take a look at some of the vapor type products Orion offers. The VTON is a durable, versatile high bay that is suitable for demanding environments that require a watertight seal. It has a NEMA 4X fiberglass housing, comes in 4 and 8 foot, and is IP67 rated. They are available up to 19,000 lumens, IP66 and IP65, and can be NSF certified. The VTOD is the big brother to the VTON, with lumen packages up to 35,000 lumens. It can accommodate higher ceilings or areas that need to be brighter. It is IP67 and IP69 rated and can handle high pressure washdown up to 1500 psi. The VTOD is also available with NSF certification. This vapor type series is DLC or DLC Premium depending on the options. Here's the latest addition to Orion's exterior solutions. The new IAHP1 series area light combines high lumens per watt with top tier performance. It is offered in 3 different platforms and multiple lumen packages. The smallest unit starts at 13,000 lumens, where the largest unit produces up to 63,000 lumens. The IHHP1 series is available in 120 to 277 volt or 277 volt to 480 volt, with type 3, 4, and 5 distribution patterns available. There are multiple mounting options available for your applications, as well as motion sensors, photo cells, and light shield. Today, we took a closer look into Orion Lighting and just a few of the outstanding products they offer. The website links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.